ক্ষতিকারক দিকে ব্যবহার করে তো কিন্তু এটা কফের লেখা এইরকম অবস্থা
After obtaining court order, we are going to dispose 11,972 bottles of Fencidil and 3,172 bottles of Escaf, which are contraband drugs here in Tripura. And approximate cost of those contraband drugs is above 21 lakh. Those contraband drugs were seized from a godown of Badarghat near Agartala on 10th October of this year.